Well guys, we're back riding on our Goldwing. Woo! I sound like Chris Caliente right there.
Out on the Goldwing.
Well anyways, we're back on the Goldwing having some fun. We're gonna go have breakfast with Cruisemansgarage and Roadglide and Robert White Photography and me. We're gonna have some fun. This is just the first try of my helmet setup. I think the microphone's too close to my face or to my mouth, so it might sound kind of bad for this first part of the video, but it's gonna get better. Okay, so cut me a break here. So let's do it. Just hauling, but come on, buddy. I haven't been on this bike in a long time. Still feels just as good as it did last time. Been easily 2 months since I've been on this bike. Does it feel weird? Not really. It just feels like I haven't been on it. But like they say, it's like riding a bike, right? Just a big 800-pound bike.
We've got a badass over here.
Well, it's fun though. I'm still having a lot of fun. Like I said, I haven't been on this bike in a long time. Still learning all the controls again. Roadglide, I'm really sorry I'm gonna be late. Maybe. I think I am gonna be late, but it's okay. Look at that. That's my town right there, boys. We're gonna go this way because, like I said, we're running a little late. It's not necessarily more direct because the other way is kind of that way and around, but whatever. We'll figure it out. If you're new to the channel, look what I got. My Showchrome floorboards. I forgot about these puppies. I installed them thanks to my friends at Showchrome. They sent me these to do a quick little video, and like, oh my god, they're really nice. Like look at that. I just put my feet right there. It gives me enough bend in the knees. I haven't tried them. Actually, I was gonna say I haven't tried them for long distance, but I actually did. I tried them on my way back from Milwaukee on this bike. I rode from Milwaukee to Dallas in one day with these. The only bad part was that day it was really cold in the morning, so I didn't really get to use them that much during the day. And then at night it started to rain, so I didn't get to use them that much at night either because it was raining. So you gotta try to stay protected behind this little guard right here that doesn't really give that much protection anyways. So yeah, Leroy, if you're watching this, I'm really sorry I don't have my gloves on today. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Forgive me, please. I'm serious. Please forgive me. Man, this thing's... It doesn't feel weird like I'm struggling to change lanes and all that. Nah, it doesn't feel like that at all. It feels good. It feels like I've done this before a couple times, you know? Alright, here's where we make up some time. Because we're in Mexico, of course. Gary. Am I at the wrong place? Maybe. He said need a Bass Pro Shop. Oh, so I'm at the right place, so good. I'm over here like, oh man, I'm in the wrong place. Dummy. He's by Whataburger, using the restroom. I don't know where that's at, but we'll figure. Oh, there's Whataburger. That means he's here somewhere. Let's see if he's over here. Looking for his bike. That's what I'm looking for right there. There he is. Look at that thing. I haven't seen that bike in a long time, Gary. Woo! That's a good looking bike. Is that him? Looks like that's him right there. Fancy seeing you around here.
What do you say, homie?
What's up?
Good to see you.
Long time no see. Yeah, of course.
Dude, your haircut looked great.
Yours too.
Yeah, man.
Look at him. That's Gary right there. He's crazy. This he's got lights for days. Popping in sport mode. See you, Gary. Let's see who's all here. What do you think? You want to park this way or face that way? Because the angle. I didn't like that angle of the slope is like that just a little bit. Ugh.
Instructions are not to.
Where are we sitting at?
Guys, doesn't matter.
I don't like being stuck, so.
You don't like being stuck.
Yeah.
Sit on the outside.
Yeah.
And I usually be sitting here.
Wow. We sat down for breakfast, and I didn't want to record the whole breakfast, but yeah. It was me, Roadglide, Chris, Robert White, Don, and Dale right here on the bottom left. Super cool guys. This guy on the bottom left, Dale, he's going to Alaska on his Africa Twin. I didn't film other than this, but Chris did, so I'm going to kindly steal some of his video.
Waffle. So Robert is having the waffle and bacon, best bacon you've ever had.
That's how Texas looks, right?
Don is having burned bacon, a waffle with two. Is that 2 or 3 eggs? 2 eggs.
It crumbles. That's the way I like it.
Adden is having everything on the menu.
Here's the one mistake, though, okay? So when I got the food, they put the Texas like this. If you're Texan, you know it's like that.
Thank you.
But
Exactly.
Correct.
I'm having 3 eggs over medium and bacon. Trying to do the carnival thing.
Daddy knows. You can also do it in white. Hey,
Wow.
they come in all kinds of colors. Orange, green, you pick whatever you want. Oh, he turned those things on bright for me the other day. As bright as they'll go.
What's that?
His
Oh yeah.
under mirror lights. Oh my gosh, they'll
20,000 lumens.
light up the world.
Yeah.
Hey, that's a big. Y'all need to bring your bikes. Let's get a.
you do a wheelie on that thing?
I can.
Okay, before you leave. Nah.
It has wheelie control.
Shut up. That's
so
cool.
You can control that.
Wow. My helmet is set up as my tripod right now. Look at this, you see? Hi, helmet. As we know, this is Roadglide. I met with Roadglide, Robert White Photography, Cruiseman, right there. He's a cool guy. My buddy here, he's got a African. That sounds really good. Wow. Wow. You okay with being on my video for just a second?
Absolutely.
So for the people that don't know, this is Chris. Chris is from Cruisemansgarage. Tell us a little bit about yourself real quick if you can. I have it set up to go, so I
I
just...
don't know what you wanted to say,
I like turtles.
but
For the people that obviously don't know who you are, there are very few, I know, but...
I have Cruisemansgarage YouTube channel, and also make maintenance videos for the Honda Goldwing.
Okay.
And we also have a cruise channel where we review cruise ships. That's where the name Cruiseman came from. And been riding Goldwing since 2006, and just absolutely love it. This is my 4th Goldwing.
Okay.
I had a 2005, I had a 2007, and a 2012, and now I've got the 2018.
With the big trunk.
Yes, I did put the 2021 trunk on, the larger trunk. And since I put that on, it made a world of difference because I can put my helmets in, no problem, don't have to lay them on their side.
Oh, yeah.
Because a lot of times if you have a communicator or if you have a camera mounted, it just wouldn't fit. But
Cool.
now it's no problem.
Now,
Love it.
where can they go and check you out?
Go to YouTube, Cruisemansgarage. It's at Cruisemansgarage, so anything like that, and we'll be putting videos up all the time. Do motovlogs and maintenance videos and installation videos, you name it.
Cool. I already knew all that stuff, but I wanted the small amount of people that know me that don't know him, I wanted to make sure that they knew that stuff too. So go follow him. I'll follow you. So, breakfast is done. And we're on our way back to Gary's house. Woo, 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 woo. I like Gary. Don't tell him I said that though. But he's a pretty cool guy. You know, Gary, you told me that you don't go that fast. Look at you, man. Oh, I don't go that fast. Yeah, right. Look at you, man. You're going quick. Slow her down, Jimmy. Slow her down. That loud popping noise got really obnoxious, so we're going to do it over. We're going to Gary's house. Deb, his wife, made some banana bread, and we talked over the phone about it, and they said, oh, it's so delicious. I'm like, okay, I got to go try it. So that's what we're doing. So, Deb, if you're watching this, hopefully you are, that banana pudding, that banana bread was really good. Really, really good. Thank you so much. Sorry. Well, you know, if we're in Dallas, we have to go to Buc-ee's. So let's do it. Let's go to Buc-ee's. I have Glenn S. on the phone. I see him in the comments. He's a cool guy. He's going to Tennessee with us for the first ever F6B Adventures meetup. But you can't hear him. I can. And I'll tell you what he said, okay? Glenn S., if you're watching this, you're live with the... And you're here, yeah. You're live and you're here. Nobody can hear you but me. So tell us your darkest secrets, Glenn. We're at the Buc-ee's in Ennis, Texas. Tell us your darkest secrets, Glenn. What you got? I like to sleep with the nightlight on. Okay, his darkest secret is that his wife makes good guacamole. Is it guac or wok? Yeah, that's what he said. It depends on what side of the country you live on. That's true. Well, we're here getting some gas on my Goldwing, going around this slow driver. So look at this. We're at Buc-ee's. We have to get some food. What do we want, though? We want a sliced brisket sandwich. That's what I want. Come on. You gotta get a sliced brisket sandwich. Look at these. $8.49. They used to be cheap. Now they're so expensive. So on this crazy fiasco I call my F6B Adventures YouTube channel, we're in Dallas, and as you know, we had to go to Buc-ee's. It doesn't have the Buc-ee's logo, but that's where we went. I got my Buc-ee's sandwich. Got my Buc-ee's onesie. I got a new one. The other one wasn't fitting very well, so I had to get a new one. And unfortunately, they don't have seats outside, so I gotta eat inside. We're here, like I said, eating it up. My GoPro, the battery died, so I'm just filming like this right now for a couple minutes. I'm eating inside. I'm getting some weird looks, but I got my receipt that shows I bought everything, so we're good to go. There you go. Yeah. Did I just get like stream sniped or photobombed? That would be cool. I think that's all she wrote, folks. I'm on my way to go pack up. I have a 5 a.m. flight to LA. I'm going to go watch the LA Kings versus the Dallas Stars. Like I said, this is a motorcycle, hockey, and a little bit of travel channel. Mostly motorcycles, a little bit of hockey and travel. So I got to go do it. I just want to say thank you so much to Cruiseman, Chris, Robert White, Dale, Don, Roadglide, Deb. Thank you so much, everybody. It was really fun. It was cool to meet some people that kind of started me, doing these vlogs and doing these videos and getting on a Goldwing. It was really cool to see them. I was like, oh man, I've seen that guy's video. I've seen Robert White's video. I've seen Chris's videos. And to see him in person, it's like, oh, that's cool. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys on the next go around. I'll see you in LA, okay?